Well, welcome back to our channel. We are just finishing up getting ready here, so you're going to spend the day with us in a way here today, but we just want to share as Michelle and I get ready in the mornings and stuff. Not every morning, but I like to put on some type of music, Christian music, worship music to, just get us in the spirit into another way. And music is another way to worship the Lord. So we're actually going to be sharing in the notes below, in the description box below this video. Make sure you check it out because we'll give the link to our playlist here off YouTube, but we have some songs.
Yeah, we wanted to let you guys know that we created a worship playlist that you can follow here on our YouTube channel. We've created another one similar, but it's also some different songs on both playlists.
Yeah.
So on our YouTube, and then we have one on Spotify again with the links down below.
And then we'll give the links down below for all that stuff, so you guys can see the type of music that Michelle and I tend to listen to.
For those that are interested in. So enjoy.
Let's get ready for the day.
Also, Lori and I are going to talk about not only just let you guys know about our worship playlist, also over on Instagram, we've had quite a few people ask Lori and I what Bibles we use. So we're going to show you guys that as well.
Coffee check, mugs check. Let's go do this.
And remember when he wanted to go fishing, but then he didn't. It was funny. It was a funny movie.
Now let's moving on to our Bible. So I actually need to grab my other Bible.
Yes, actually I want to mention in our program, Live Faithfully, Lori and I, it's our Bible study program, we share the Bibles, we share all resources, everything that Lori and I use to study the Bible, the people we listen to and stuff when we go to study. So I just wanted to mention that if you're interested in what Lori and I do, right now we're just studying the book of Matthew. Again, we're starting from this is our beginning journey of reading the Bible, and we're filming it. So if you want to join along the ride with us, you can check out the details below and see if it's the right fit.
Also, you can check out our video of where we share how we're reading the Bible and our plan for reading the Bible. If you're new to us and want to see again how Michelle and I are approaching reading the Bible, we'll make sure to link that in the little box above for you guys to check that out on your own time or after this video. But pretty much we share a lot of over on Instagram. If you don't follow us over there, we're Lori and Michelle. And we share a lot of in the moment of our morning Bible study sessions. I usually take a snapshot of me and Michelle reading a Bible, or we talk about a specific little passage. And so a lot of you guys over time have seen that and have questioned what Bibles Michelle and I are using.
I think it's most of the time it's Lori's Bible because we'll show you why in a second. But we'll go over the different different versions of Bibles we have, which is important, we feel, to have different versions, because some of them are just the way they're translated or more word for word, and some are just putting more simple text. I will say be careful.
There's a lot of Bibles,
Bibles. There's actually people kind of almost in a sense kind of creating their own version of a Bible. Something for you to consider. You don't have to agree with us. We understand the Bible saying this is complete. Nothing needs to be changed or added. And
the first Bible that I got was a New King James Version, and it's black and it's a leather base and it's soft cover, so it's very easy and pliable. It's definitely lighter weight than the hard covers that Michelle and I have, but this was the first one that I got, and I also got the Bible tabs. I really like the Bible tabs, especially since this is a black Bible. It kind of brings a little bit more color to the Bible, which I really like. So this was the first one that I got, and I do enjoy it, and I do read it. I tend to read this one when I do my prayers in the morning, when I read over certain scriptures or pray over certain scriptures. This is the Bible that I tend to grab to. Next Bible is this pretty blue one. This is the Reflections Bible of a New Living Translation, and I bought all the Bibles that Michelle and I show here. We did buy off Amazon. This one is a hardcover. It's heavier than the New King James I just showed you. I love it. I love the bright blue color. That's one thing that gravitated me towards this Bible. I also like the New Living Translation Bible. It is an easier read compared to the New King James for beginners. But I also really enjoyed this one. I too also bought tabs for this one. But I also, one thing I really enjoyed about this is the Bible. When you see us over on Instagram and me sharing in the moment, if you don't follow us there, we're Lori and Michelle. And I share a lot of times of what Michelle and I are reading in the morning. And I give glimpses of into my Bible. Because I love it when I follow a lot of other Christians and they do that too. And I just love it. So I wanted to share mine. So this is what it is. I love the one thing that I was gravitated towards, not only by the cover and stuff, I mean the color, but is that I was looking for a single column Bible, and this it is, and then you have all this extra space to write notes, and that's what I love. So when you see me flashing Bibles pictures over on Instagram, this is the Bible that you're gonna see mostly out of. Every once in a while we'll show Michelle's, which she'll show next year, but most of the time it is this Bible. So for all of you that ask, what is the Bible that we are using, that we're showing, this is it. It's the New Living Translation, the Reflections Bible, and I love it.
So the Bible that I have is the She Reads Truth. It is a Christian Standard Bible. It's also a hardcover like Lori's NLT Bible. I like it because the reason why I got this one was because I liked that it had space to write notes. Throughout the Bible they have little like pretty graphics and stuff throughout, pulling out different scriptures. They also have little timelines before each chapter and a quick overview of the chapter. Also, I like how they, I don't know if I forgot to mention here, they also recommend between each one like additional reading to check out. You already can see all the tabs from Laura and I's notes from things. So, and they also have throughout the Bible little, like they pull a little side, I guess in a sense of like a little devotion, but a little side note to take into account. Before Matthew, they showed a little map. But the reason why I know Lori got drawn to get the NLT from the King James is because the space for me to write notes, I had more space. But Lori and I realized we're also note takers, which we've showed for you guys before, so we also have a notebook in addition to the notes we take in the Bible. So I just want to show you guys kind of what it looks like when it's got stuff written in it compared to, maybe Lori can come back and show the differences. You guys can kind of see.
I'm back.
I don't know if this will help you guys or not, but I thought maybe it would. So kind of show the difference of what the two Bibles look like. So that's the Bibles we use.
Yeah, I would say my width is a little bit wider to write notes in than Michelle's.
And my
Bible.
font's a little smaller than hers, but it doesn't bother me. But I do recommend before, if you haven't already picked up a Bible, there's other videos out there of people going over the different translations and what ones are good for what. That's why we recommend actually if you can. We know not everyone can get multiple Bibles. But if you can, we recommend that. It gives you different like perspectives, because some are translated word for word and things like that. And there's also apps out there, of course, that have Bibles you can get to as well. So head over to purelytwins.com. We'll link below to the show notes so you can leave a comment letting us know what Bible you use.
So these are the three that we have, and we really have been enjoying them. Michelle and I enjoying the time outside, and the kids are over there. If you see people in the background, those are my two kids playing in the tree and everything over there. So we wanted to end out our video with you all today. Thank you so much for spending your day with us, spending your time with us. We really, really appreciate it. Hey kids, you guys want to come and say goodbye to everybody on the camera? Come say goodbye. What are we playing?
Goodbye!
Goodbye. thanks. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.